obviously. I'm driving home now. Went over just some speed bumps through some of the back roads just to see if I could tell any difference, and honestly I can say that they are definitely more cushiony than what the Kings were. Obviously being out in the mountains and having them on for a while will be the real time to tell, but as of right now, super happy with the look of them all, and the installation went by smoothly. Obviously it took its time, but it went good. So thank you, Kelly, very much for helping me out with that. I really appreciate it. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this little video of the install process, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.